Create and execute Windows command files, current directory. Command files read and write files that are in the same directory as the current directory or file path, unless a path is specified in the file reference. This video shows how to change the current directory and how to use file directories in batch code. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. This code shows many of the ways to manipulate the current directory. First of all, to display the current directory, you use a cd command with nothing after it. Here's the result of that command. That is the current directory for the batch file that we're executing. Note that the current directory is set by the system to the directory containing the batch file unless the batch file is executed from a shortcut. Here's how to move up one level from the directory you're in, cd space ... And you can see, since I have the echo on, all the prompts will show you where you are. We started in C, Users Tom2 Desktop Batch folder. We went up one level. We just got rid of the batch folder and we're back to here, as shown in the prompt. This strange-looking command shows the directory the batch file is executing in. Here it is, batch folder 1. Here's the echo of the command with the substitution already done for this expression here, and then here's the output of the echo command. This command changes the current directory to C and then the users, the folder users on the C drive. Here's the echo of the command. Here's the next prompt after the command was executed, and it shows that the new current directory is C and then \users. This command moves down one level to this folder if it exists. So there's the command, there's the next prompt showing that it did move the current directory down one level to the Tom2 folder. Again, that folder must exist for this command to work. It will not create a folder. The next command, you use a /D if you're going to change the current directory to a different drive. And this one changes it to the S drive, which is one of my external hard drives. The next prompt shows that. Then a shortcut form of the command to change drives. The drive letter and the colon. And here's the result. Here's the command echoed. There's the prompt after the command was executed, which shows that we went to the T drive for the current directory. Change to a different drive and the last directory used on that drive. You want to remember this last part here. It didn't change it to just the drive. It changed it to the drive with the last directory used. So when I change it to the C drive, we'll see what the next prompt shows. C users Tom2, which was the last place we changed it to before we changed drives. And again, we move down one level from where we were. Here's the command. We went down one level to the documents folder in user Tom2. The next command changes it to the S drive, but to the root directory, the top directory. The / changes it to the top directory, not to the last directory used. And then after that command is executed there, it shows that we're at the top level of the S disk drive path. So we're at the top level. Here's the command. We saw the command earlier to show the directory the batch file was executing in. Here's how to change the current directory so that it does contain the one that's executing the batch file. Remember, this is only necessary if you executed the batch file from a shortcut. When you do that, it does not set the current directory to the path containing the batch file is executing. But this command will set it to the directory containing the batch file. You would want to do that if you're going to create or read files that you expect to be in the same folder as the batch file. So you would use this command to change the directory. Remember, you have the /d on there in case you're changing drives at the same time. If you don't have the D parameter on here and you were currently on a different drive, this command would not work because the batch file is on the C drive. Then a pause, which is waiting for my input. Press a key to go on in the code. As we mentioned in several of the other videos, the echo dot just gives a blank line in the output file. There's the echo dot being echoed. If we weren't echoing it, we'd still get these two blank lines here for the two echo commands. So following the echo, here's how to use the directories if you wanted to put them into a variable and then manipulate the text of the directory. Remember, that's a file path. So we set x equal to the current directory. Let's look at the results of that. Here's the set command. It's already been substituted. The next prompt shows that we're in the current directory. Okay, there's the echo command being echoed. Now let's go down and see what the echo command actually looks like. The output starts with current directory. The output of it, this is all the echo. The output of that command is right here. It says current directory colon. Then it has the current directory here, followed by, turns out it's the same directory, but it's followed by the directory that contains the batch file. Those happen to be the same right now, but of course they wouldn't have to be. And then the pause command. And that's the end of that code example for manipulating directories. Now when I press the pause key, the output folder will vanish. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.